Tired of endless clinic visits for permanent hair removal? Well, your search ends with the Braun Silk Expert Pro 5. Now you can get permanent hair reduction from the comfort of your home. No hassle, no pain, just smooth, long-lasting skin. After using Braun for 6 months, my hair growth has significantly reduced. I haven't used it for 2 months now. No hair has come back yet. Trust me, it's a one-time investment. Comes with whopping 4 lakh flashes, which can last for about 20 years. One device for all your sessions. I find hair removal methods like waxing or epilating too painful. So I decided to explore permanent hair removal options. Laser hair removal seemed like the answer, but firstly, it's temporary, just a significant reduction. You need multiple sessions like 6 to 7 followed by constant maintenance appointments every few months. On top of that, it's costly, especially if you want to treat multiple areas. I finally searched on Google for an easier solution, and after scrolling for too long, I discovered Braun IPL 5, which lets you achieve permanent hair reduction at home. First step is to shave the hair and not wax. It's super easy and safe to use. Press this button to start the device. Start on level 1 and sensitive mode. If it's your first time, baby steps to smooth skin. You can either glide it along your skin or stamp on a particular spot. You need to use it once a week and you will start seeing results in just 4 weeks. It's safe and painless, no side effects, no burning, and no more worrying about appointments or scheduling. Just look at my skin. It's smooth, bump-free, and has way less hair now. My hair growth has seriously slowed down at half the cost of laser treatments. My verdict, it's a 10 on 10 product. Totally quirky approved.